20 new Barbie hacks. It's a charmed life in Barbie's world, and we're gonna make it even better. From furniture to clothes, this girl's gonna have it all. And we're gonna have fun bringing her world to life. But before we get started, be sure to subscribe to the Crafty Hackers channel and hit that notification bell to be the first to see our new videos. Let's make Barbie a hot tub. Grab a plastic container, like this one, then spray paint it white or light blue. Then find some contact paper that looks like wood panels. Cut them to size and glue them to the outside of Barbie's tub. Add some water and let Barbie relax in her awesome new hot tub. Winter's almost here, so let's make Barbie some cozy fur boots. First we'll need to make a pattern. Use Barbie's legs to measure and trace out a pattern, cut it out, and pin it to a piece of furry fabric. Cut the fabric in the shape of the boot pattern. Now sew the seam together in the back. Hot glue the bottom of the fabric to a white Barbie shoe. Now she's stylishly dressed for the winter. Barbie needs a lounge chair. Let's make her one. First, line up 4 popsicle sticks and 3 smaller sticks cut to this size. Glue the popsicle sticks together, like this. Add the smaller stick in the center to make the seat of your lawn chair. Add the other small sticks to the top and bottom of the chair to give it structure. Cut a piece of fabric to size and glue it around the smaller sticks on both ends of the chair. Now let Barbie kick back and relax on her new poolside chair. There are so many uses for a paperclip. Here's a cool hack you've gotta try. We're going to turn this paperclip into a hanger for Barbie's favorite clothes. Just bend the paperclip out like this. Use wire cutters to cut the extra metal off. How cute is this hanger? This may look like a sponge and a few pieces of fabric, but we're going to turn it into something that's so much more. First, glue your fabric around the sponge with a hot glue gun. Do this with 4 sponges. Then glue a different style of fabric to more sponges. Glue the sponges onto a piece of cardboard, like this. Add the arms. Now you've got a comfy couch for Barbie to hang out on. Let's turn this baby sock into a beanie to complete Barbie's winter look. First, snip the ankle part of the sock off. Then sew the top fabric together. When winter time rolls around, Barbie will be ready. Want to learn how to make a table to go with Barbie's furniture? Check it out! First, cut a piece of poster board or cardboard into a circle shape. Glue it to the back of your favorite fabric. Now trim away the extra fabric. Then glue some craft sticks together to make this shape. This will be your table's legs. Glue the table legs to the bottom of your table. Add a small decoration for the finishing touch. Let's have some fun with some felt. Fold a piece of pink felt fabric in half. Then cut out a half-heart shape. Open it up and you'll see a full heart. Then put some glue along the border. Glue on felt pom-poms until the whole heart is covered. Now Barbie's got a heart-shaped rug for her house. Snip the top off of a balloon. Then open up the bottom portion. Sew the edges together with a needle and thread. Add some thread as straps. Now Barbie has a cute backpack to carry all of her essentials. What do you do when your Barbie needs to wear glasses? Here's how to make a stylish pair of glasses. Just bend a piece of gold wire, making 2 round circles and hooks for each ear. Attach the frames together, bending them to stay in place, and add some plastic lenses. Nice glasses, Barbie! Let's Let's add a little glamour to Barbie's decor. Paint a battery-operated tea light with gold paint. Cover the sides with decorative tape. Then glue some crystal beads to the center of the candle. Glue a piece of wire to the bottom of the tea light and switch it on. Now you've got a fancy chandelier for Barbie's room. Here's an idea for a cute rug. Put a dab of hot glue in the center of a piece of felt. Glue one end of a colorful piece of yarn to the center of the felt. Now wrap the yarn around itself, making a swirl pattern. Keep adding glue and swirling until you've got a nice-sized rug for Barbie's home. Cut away any extra fabric. Doesn't that rug look nice and soft? It goes perfectly with the couch. Here's another fun accessory to make for Barbie. On a few different colored pieces of foam, trace out the shape of Barbie's foot. Cut out the pattern, then cut a few blue straps to make the sandals stay on her feet. Stack 2 different pieces of foam and glue the straps in between the soles. Glue the soles together and let it dry. Now Barbie has some adorable spa shoes. Here's a quick hack. Mark and cut the bottom off of an empty detergent bottle. It makes a perfect sized bathtub for Barbie to soak in. Let's add some sparkle to Barbie's wardrobe. Get a piece of shimmery fabric and cut it to fit around Barbie's chest. Fold the sides in and glue. Add a piece of Velcro to attach to the top in the back. That tube top is disco-tastic. For this hack, you'll want to save empty coffee creamers. We're going to make them shine with some gold spray paint. Once they're dry, stuff some brown Play-Doh or clay into the containers. Add some small fake plants to the clay, and there you go. These plants will look nice by the lounge chair and hot tub. To make Barbie a dresser, simply glue a few matchboxes together, stacking them up like this. Cut out some colorful construction paper, long enough to wrap around the matchboxes. Glue some beads to the front to make drawer knobs. Store Barbie's comb and other accessories in the drawers. Let's update Barbie's look. Grab a bright colored piece of fabric and roll it up to look like this. Cut at the bottom so it looks like this. Then fold and cut the center of the fabric to make room for Barbie's body to fit through. Make a few adjustments, then tie a ribbon around her waist. This dress is so simple to make and so elegant. Does your Barbie also love emojis? Then you'll want to start off this craft with a block of foam and 2 bunches of wool. Center a metal ring in the foam, then flatten the wool inside with a simple screwdriver. The wool will now be round and compact. Get some embroidery floss and compact it so that it looks like your favorite emoji. Ta-da! Now your Barbie has an emoji bestie. Table. To make this modern dino table, you'll need to start with a glass jar. Take off the lid and save it for later. Find a dinosaur in your basement and spray paint it in the color of your choice. Next, fasten the lid to your dinosaur with glue. Ta-da! The simplest and easily the coolest end table your Barbie will ever want. Bread. Your Barbie does get hungry sometimes. Crunch a sheet of aluminum foil until it's a ball. Next, get your roll of twine and your trusty glue gun. Fasten twine to half the surface of the ball. Now get a square fabric. Add some hot glue to the other side of the ball and use that to help shape the material. Then peel it off the ball and cut off the excess fabric. Peel off the twine and add the material as the lining for your bread bowl. Mix 2 cups of flour and a 1/4 cup of salt and water into a bowl. You want the dough to be nice and gooey. Shape small balls and add crisscross patterns on top. Get crafty! You can also make baguettes. Brush eyeshadow on the bread pieces so that they look nice and toasty. When you're satisfied, cover the loaves with clear nail polish. Look at that! It looks so good you could almost eat it. Almost. Once they're dry, add the breads to the bowl and serve them to Barbie. Barbie is loving this yummy snack. Bye. We hope you like these awesome new Barbie hacks. Thanks for watching Crafty Hackers. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more crafty hacks and ideas. Ciao!